Viewers, without wasting any time, first take a look at these 3D animation character videos that I generated today using different characters. Alright, now watch these carefully.
Woohoo! This is awesome!
Okay, viewers, now that you've watched both videos, you can see the quality. In the same way, I've generated multiple videos using different characters. Now, without wasting time, let me show you something on YouTube. If you search for 3D animation content, you'll notice that this niche is highly trending right now. Many creators are uploading 3D animation-style videos and getting massive views. So I thought, why not teach you how to create these 3D animation videos using a completely free AI tool? Alright viewers, now let's move to the next step. I'm going to show you a master prompt that I've created. This master prompt includes a unique viral idea, image generation prompts, video generation prompts. Don't worry, I'll provide this master prompt in the description of my YouTube video. All you need to do is just copy and paste it, and then simply ask for, give me 8 image prompts and 8 video prompts, and it will automatically generate everything for you. Now, take a quick look at this master prompt. Notice how well-structured and powerful it is. Next, copy this master prompt and go to ChatGPT. Paste it there and click on Generate. After a few seconds, you'll see it gives you an image prompt and a video prompt. But if you add, give me 8 prompts for image and video, then you'll see something amazing. It will generate multiple ideas one by one, along with image prompts and video prompts. As you can see, it has generated 8 unique ideas, along with 8 image prompts and 8 video prompts. Now, review each prompt carefully. You'll notice how creative, unique, and trending they are. Next, I copy all these prompts and paste them into a Microsoft Word file, so it becomes easier for me to use them while creating images and videos. As you can see, I've organized all image and video prompts inside a Word document. Alright viewers, without wasting time, I'll copy my first prompt. And now let's move to the most important step of today's video, image to video generation. Alright viewers, first of all, I want to take you to a viral website where I've created a lot of videos. This platform is especially powerful because it generates high-quality 3D animation-style images. So first, go to PicLumen, then click on the Generate option, and after that, select Image. Now paste your first prompt, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and click on Generate. I'm moving a bit fast here because I truly value your time, and I don't want you to waste even a second because of me. Alright, I've entered my first image prompt, and within just 10-15 seconds, it generated my first 3D image. Wow, amazing, what a character. Now viewers, I'll copy my second prompt, paste it again, and click on Generate. After waiting a few seconds, you can see it has created another 3D image, this time a kid on a broken bridge scene. Great. Now, I'll move to my third prompt, which is a superhero prompt, like Superman style. After a short wait, you can see my third 3D image is also ready. Next, I'll enter my fourth prompt, which is a tiger-themed prompt. After a few seconds, you can see the tiger image is also generated beautifully in 3D. Alright viewers, I also have another prompt, a boost-style prompt. I'll enter that as well. As you can see, one by one, all the prompts I entered have successfully generated their images. Now let me show you the final overview of all generated images. Just look at this, how amazingly this tool has created high-quality 3D images. PicLumen allows you to generate around 12 to 15 images daily, which means you get enough credits every day to consistently create content. Now viewers, go ahead and review all these images one by one. Once you've seen them, simply download each image. And now, let's move to the next important step, and the new tool I mentioned earlier that gives you 500 daily credits. So, let's go! Alright viewers, now we've moved on to our next step. Today I'm going to introduce you to a website called Runway ML. As you may already know, earlier this platform used to give very limited credits. You could only generate around 3 to 4 videos. But today I'm going to show you how you can get 500 credits. So first, go to Runway ML. As you can see, this website is extremely powerful, highly trending, and in my opinion, it's one of the best AI tools available right now. Now, without wasting any time, I'll click on the login option. You simply need to log in using any Gmail account. And here's the important part. When you log in with a new Gmail, it gives you 500 credits. Alright, I've logged in with my Gmail. And as you can see in the corner, I've received 500 credits. Yes, viewers, I wasn't exaggerating. This is completely real. I always prefer to share genuine methods with you. Now I'll go to the dashboard and click on the video option, because today we're going to generate videos from here. Alright viewers, after entering the video section, I'll upload my first image, then I'll write a suitable prompt according to the scene, and click on Generate. Now, my first video has started generating. It usually takes around 1 minute, and after that your video will be ready. And here we go. After 1 minute, you can see my first video is ready. Wow, an amazing green monster animation. Just look at the character design and the animation quality. It's incredible. Now I'll download this video. Next, I'll select my second image. After adding a good prompt for the tiger scene, I'll click Generate again. And after a short wait, you can see my tiger image has now been converted into a video. Again, this looks very unique and visually impressive. Alright viewers, I'm also downloading these videos side by side. Now I'll upload my third image, add a proper prompt, and click Generate. This will be my last example, because I don't want to waste your time. By now, you already understand the process of video generation, which is the most important step, and as you can see, my third video is also ready. Alright viewers, I've now converted all my images into videos. You can do the same with your remaining images as well. I've saved all my videos. Now, let's move on to the last and final important step. First, open CapCut and import your 3D images or videos into the timeline, arrange them properly, and create a clean, engaging sequence. Now, I'll drag my generated video into the timeline. As you can see, initially there's a small Runway ML logo on the clip, so what you need to do is remove it. For that, I'll use the Crop Adjust tool or skill bar option and remove the logo area. And now, as you can see, the video looks clean. Play your video again and review it carefully. You'll notice that all clips are now completely clean and logo-free. Now, as you can see, all my videos are ready. Next, I'll click on the Export option. And here is the final output. Wow, just look at this. The 3D animation looks absolutely amazing and professional. And this is the easiest method I've shown you today to create 3D animation videos using AI. Also, don't forget, you'll find the master prompt in the description. Just copy and paste it, and everything will be generated automatically for you. Alright viewers, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and learned something valuable. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.